run usually about 6 days a week, and meeting with the team, we probably meet 4 times a week, and each time it could be 2 or 3 hours long, so it's a pretty big time commitment, but it doesn't seem that long because you're there with the team, and it's kind of like social slash, but you do work very hard. Well, I guess a big thing is like managing your time, and I guess like setting your priorities. Like, we're student athletes, so academics comes before athletics, even though you sometimes like to have like your training and Huskies come before like academics. I've had a really great experience doing it. You meet a lot of new people. It feels really good once you accomplish something big, like say at the national level, and you compete there. It's just such a great experience seeing all the athletes come together from every team, and you get to represent your school. Team spirits that I've seen out of any team. Like for track, for example, everybody's, especially for the relays, everyone stands around the edge of the field and like swings around their jerseys and cheers for each person coming by. And we're usually the loudest, and we have the most team spirit, I guess. So it's really fun being a Husky athlete. Cheering for your teammates and making them come first, supporting them in the good times, the bad times, helping them push till they can't push to the limit and not give up, as well as yourself, just making sure you leave everything you got out there on the field or track or whatever sport you're in, I guess. Hi, my name is Caitlin Workington, and I'm a cross country and track athlete, and I have Husky pride.